Hello and welcome to this video where we are going to see a system, very simple system, free, which enables us to sell a lot with affiliate marketing. It's a system all done for you. Really, there is no setup. And it's built on Builderall. Builderall is the platform, digital marketing platform, which has a free plan, which you can use for free for life. No limitation in terms of time. So this system uses Builderall and a new technology developed by Builderall, which allows to share a complete system, such as this one. This is the first system to use this new tech in Builderall, and this system has been created by James Neville Taylor. This is his name, but James is the #1 affiliate of Builderall. Yeah, in the world. He's the best. He has because he knows how to sell Builderall, and this system has just been released in December 2020, and it's based. He has made another system which was a paid one, but this one is optimized to be free, for everything free and easy, which means no setup at all. There is no setup. In the previous one, the one we had to pay, which I bought, and it's called it's a massive affiliate blueprint, but this one is called RPM, so it's for rapid profit machine, and this one is like a baby MAB for massive affiliate business blueprint, but MAB required me to set up a lot of things in Builderall. This one is with no setup at all, because for the affiliate it uses the Builderall marketplace. So Builderall already knows that you are the affiliate. So when someone buys a product in the marketplace, you get the commission because you introduced this person to Builderall. He has a Builderall account under you. It's a 2 tiers affiliate program in Builderall and on the Builderall marketplace. So you understand how it works. It means this, when you, so look at this, I will read it for you. Maybe you already read it while I was talking. So attention, new simple tech allows you to build a money-making machine in minutes, which is true. It's true, in minutes. Free system, ethically steal my new system, which is creating success stories daily. In fact, it's not stealing because he's giving it. And when I install it myself, I can give it also. This is the principle of this system, is you get the system and you spread it, and other people will get it through you. But it's the same system, in fact. What you get, the full rapid profit machine, valued at $2,000, of course, free for limited time. Of course, please don't believe the hype. $2,000, why not? Why not 2 billion? So we can say anything, but it's valued by who knows who. So you put your first name, your email, and here you get into the mailing list of the one who installed this system. So in this case, it's me. I installed it on my Builderall, so you get into my mailing list. And the system that you get creates a list for you, and with a sequence of email messages already done with links to different products on the Builderall marketplace. So you get the idea. So it says, this brand new proprietary technology you will not find anywhere else. This is true because it's based on Builderall, a new technology of importing everything, a complete funnel, complete system. So you enter, you go there, you arrived here. So discover how you can clone the system I use to bring in 6 figures a month for free. So it talks about, I don't know, you can listen if you want. And here, it's just say, yes, I want it. So you agree with what he said, he presented the system to you, you say, okay, I want. And here you have some testimonials from, maybe I could be, because I used the big brother of this system, I could be inside. So it talks about that it's wonderful. It's true, even the paid one is wonderful. Huh? Don't mistake it, but this one is new and very good for free. It's very good. So you see, they make money, blah, blah, blah. And you have only 24 hours. Don't believe the hype, of course. If you come back, I don't think they will deny your request. It's not made to be denied. It's meant to be spread. So the button goes to page 3. So you arrived here. It says, set up the vehicle for your rapid profit machine. What is a vehicle? It is Builderall. It is the base of this system. So get your free Builderall account. Builderall will host your rapid profit machine. So here you click, you get your free Builderall account, and it's an affiliate link for the one who has installed the system. So it will be your affiliate link just to open a free Builderall account. So you don't get any commission, except if the person later on upgrades to Builderall, then you will get the commission. Because Builderall is good on this, and you have to listen carefully about this if you know other platforms where they use the last cookie thing. Last cookie. Here, if you introduce someone to Builderall as a free user, when this person upgrades, you will get the commission no matter how many other affiliate links he visited in between the time. On other systems, it is the last cookie on his browser which counts as the affiliate for the sale. On Builderall, no. You introduce people to free as a free user, you will get the commission even if they upgrade in 1 year, or if they upgrade while having other affiliate cookie on their browser. So this is very important to remember if they upgrade, but they don't have to. So it's free. But, okay, free account. Then once you have claimed your free Builderall account, click the button below to be taken to the next step. So it's page 4. Page 4, what is the next step? Is to import. So you have opened your Builderall account for free, and then you can import. So when you click here, it will import all the pages of this system and the mailing list with all the messages, and it will link the first page, this one, you will have it, and it will be linked to your email autoresponder on your free Builderall account with the list that has been created. So it will import everything in one, and all the links will be your affiliate links because of the tags, auto tags. So anyway, no need to enter into this, but this is the special tech that Builderall has to be able to import everything and to use auto tags to put your affiliate ID into all the links. But in this case, the affiliate ID is even simpler because it is your Builderall user ID, which works to invite people to Builderall as an affiliate, and also to sell products, because all the products in this system, they are sold on the Builderall marketplace. So it is easy to have your user ID put into all the links, the affiliate links in the emails, and also on the page, because once you have imported everything, so it's set up, you don't need to set up anything. This is real. You don't have to go inside your website. It's just set up with your name and everything, because you have set up already your Builderall account with your information. All this information will be used. That's it. Once you have finished importing, click the button below. So we go to page 5. Page 5, final step. Now, listen. They say, step 4, you have to send traffic to your first page, to this one. In order to do that, you have all the ways that you know already, that you use, but if not, you can send solo ads traffic. So that's not the catch. It's not the catch, but this is paid. So if people want, they can send traffic, so they need to pay to buy traffic to be sent to their opt-in page. So the ball gets rolling. But if you want to send traffic with other ways that you have, or if you want to pay Facebook ads, you can. Doesn't matter, just to send. But here in this page, they say, so it's a good traffic for solo ads, because this is traffic that needs to be entered into a mailing list. So it's better if the traffic comes from people who are already subscribed to mailing list. So at least they don't fear giving out their email address in order to receive emails, and they are used to this. So it's good traffic for this system. Anyway, they say this, okay, my machine is supercharged with traffic, give me my free stuff. So they say only continue if you have completed this step. But you understand, don't believe the hype. You don't need to complete this step. But of course, why not? Me, I took $250 for my machine in order to put some people. Why not? You put $200 and you see what happens. What happens when you will get money or not. So why not? If you don't want, you don't do it. You just click the button, you go to page 6, and then congratulations, your setup is complete. But this is just the beginning. Yes. So you see, because the bonus step unlock your free training and bonuses. So you can unlock, in fact, you register to a members area where you have the free trainings about how to generate traffic to this page. And in fact, traffic is what everybody wants on internet. Everybody needs more traffic. And so in this free members area, you have trainings on how to find solo ads. So you have gem solo ads, but you have other vendors of solo ads. You have traffic on how to use the Facebook ads, or how even after you can create YouTube videos like I'm doing now, YouTube videos with my links in the description, and that's it. That's free traffic. But it's this way of YouTube, is not a sure traffic, because I put this video, maybe it will have 10 views, who knows, or maybe less. But if you pay for traffic, then you get the traffic, so you are sure. So free traffic is more like producing every day as a hobby, and the more you produce, the more you have traffic. Even if each video gets only 10 views, but if you have 100 videos, then you get, I don't know, 10 times 100, 1000 every month, for instance. And it's free traffic, passive traffic, because you just do videos and you don't think about it after. You just publish new videos every day, and that's it. And you get free traffic, passive traffic for months and years to come. So that's why I like to do it. But also paid traffic is more instant, and with result you can measure. So it's very easy. You pay $200 and you get the traffic in one day if you want. Just one day you get the traffic for this amount of money. You can track and see if it gets results, and then you can pay more from this source of traffic. You can do that. It's a game also, if you want. My game, I like to publish for free, to do pages, things like this, and doesn't get me a lot of traffic. I don't even track it. I don't mind, I don't care. Traffic gets, it's for free, it's organic traffic. I don't even follow what happens next. I get some commissions, some money, so why not? And I get, when I produce content, I put links to this system, to Builderall, to other things in French, whatever I do, I produce every day, so I can change it, because it's a hobby. It's like a game, and it doesn't matter. But if I was doing paid traffic, I would be tracking everything and optimizing everything, because this is money we're talking about, money and time, because you need time in order to track everything and make decisions. So I will not be so fun, with the money leaving out my pocket. It needs to come back for sure. It's not the same mentality. So what's next? You can join a Facebook group and get into the free members area for the training, and that's it. Don't forget your free VIP training. That's it for the system. You see, 6 pages. You get to import them in your free Builderall account, and everything is set up, and you get your commission. So how do you check for your commission? In your Builderall account, you will see the commissions, and you can look at the Builderall marketplace. Which product you can look into your mailing list that is in your Builderall system. You can look at the emails, what emails are being sent to the people who opt in, and yourself. If you go and put your name and email, you will receive those emails, and you can check. So get into the description of this video and go to the link. So it's rpm.best-reviewer.com. You go there, you put your name, you get into my mailing list. You can write to me if you want. You just reply to the emails, and you can see the email. And for sure, get it. Get the free one. You don't have to buy the traffic right now. Just take it and install it, so you have your Builderall system. Everything is fine, and you are under me. Why not? Okay, so that's it for this video. Now a little rap song for Builderall. Bye bye.
Look, hey, they designed a platform for you all. What you want, what you need's Builderall. Build it up, we just answering your call. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Yeah, you're a Builderall rock star. Hey, you can build it all, go hard. Sign up and you'll see we got it all. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Look, if you're trying to build the name of your brand that came with a plan, get your name in demand. With Builderall, you can save your day in advance. Keep the apps automated so you barely need to glance. Listen, think of all the power that you hold. It's a new globe, everyone is grabbing for their phones. Imagine the control, build your passion on your own. And the more that you connect, the more attraction they will show. Not only a sales funnel, look, this is more advanced. This will help you compete, but have the upper hand. Keep your products in demand. It's all in one spot. You don't have to calculate and feel afraid with your thoughts. Automate your response. Drag and drop your site or click map your fans. See the pages they like or use the video rap or capture their sites. Design your own app from scratch, just how you like. Yeah, they designed a platform for you all. What you want, what you need's Builderall. Build it up, we just answering your call. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Yeah, you're a Builderall rock star. Hey, you can build it all, go hard. Sign up and you'll see we got it all. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Design with y'all in mind, let entrepreneurs shine. Tired of the 9 to 5, you starting your own grind and it's alright. They got the tools you need. The connection they designed is truly unique. Never been able to express my views with ease. I move, release, double click and knew I'm pleased. My clients as well, tired of the hoops and leaps. Too many things in the way of my truth and dreams. A Builderall rock star is what you really are. Tune in on the internet will make you a star. You don't need to study hard, all it takes is a start. Work every day and move higher till you way off chart. Stay on, never sleep on none of the apps. It's a free sign up just so you know in advance. Builderall's for the legends, nothing's holding you back. You got the tools and the plan, you can stay on track. Believe that. They designed a platform for you all. What you want, what you need's Builderall. Build it up, we just answering your call. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Yeah, you're a Builderall rock star. Hey, you can build it all, go hard. Sign up and you'll see we got it all. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall.